Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You need the app installed and signed in. Once that's done, open PowerPoint and pick a template or blank presentation to start. Make sure the app has storage permissions so you can save edits. Tap the plus or new slide to insert your first slide, choose a layout, and add a title. This gets your structure going. Once you have a title and one content slide, save to OneDrive or local storage so your work syncs automatically and you can continue on any device. Now you build content. Use layouts to place titles, bullets, and media quickly, and apply a slide master if you want consistent fonts and colors across slides. Tap Insert to add images, video, or audio. Compress media in settings to keep the file under control. For emphasis, add transitions or simple animations. Avoid heavy effects that lag on mobile. Once done with a section, preview the slideshow to check timing and flow, and make small edits. Finish by reviewing speaker notes and rehearsing your timing. Set slideshow options like loop or use presenter view if available. Export as PPTX for editing later, PDF for sharing, or MP4 if you need a self-playing video. Select quality that balances size and clarity. Make sure to save a copy to OneDrive or local folders. If something breaks, like missing images or sync errors, reconnect to your account, resync files, and reinsert compressed media. That usually resolves mobile-specific issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.